Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change primary market on Shopify. Okay, all you need to do, guys, this is an easy process. All you need to do, guys, you want to click on login. Just log in into your Shopify store. That's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so now after you log in into your Shopify store, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on markets. Now, if you haven't activated international markets, I know that's not why you clicked on this video, so I'm just going to activate it right now. I'm going to click on save. Now, after that, you want to change your primary market. Just click on here, as you can see, or you will see here the country name. Click on it, and then you want to click on edit, and then here you want to select which country you want to change to. So I would like to change from Morocco to France, and as you can see, France is international market, so your primary country is going to move to your international market, and then this country will be your primary your primary country. Click on save, click on confirm, and now if you go back, you will see that France is now your primary market. Okay, so as you can see here, France, and yeah, if you want to add shipping prices, just click on shipping and delivery and click on general, and here you can add the shipping prices. Click on add the rate, and you can add the custom rate, which is standard, and here the custom delivery description, like ships next day, and then the price, and then click done. Make sure you save your changes. Click save, and that's it. So that's exactly, guys, how you can change primary market on your Shopify. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and drop a like, and see you guys in the next video.